I stay ready with Nuway Lash Cluster, so I never have to get ready. Yes, Nuway Lash is very much my brand. The link to shop is in the description. You're special, so you get 10% off if you use the code Miss Nuway to shop. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this lashes, girl. Bye, babe. Nuway Lash is available in 2 different styles, wings and fluff. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using fluff, although wings is surprisingly our bestseller. So I'm actually going to be using one of my already opened lash kits.
Yo, you'll be shocked when you find out just how easy this process is.
I always start off with clean lashes, and right here I just put makeup on.
I use baby wipes to clean my lashes.
I curl my lashes to keep them all together and out the way when it's time for me to apply the lash cluster. I'm using the double-ended bond and seal, and you see the bond? It is such good quality. I swear by it.
I like to do one eye before I go to the next one, and when I apply the bond, I do it in sections of 2. The bottom side first, then the other half of my eye. That way it doesn't dry out.
I'm applying the bond mainly to the base of my lashes and not through them. Seeing as I have no lashes, did I just shade myself? I'm starting off with the longest length, 18.
Personally, I like to apply some bond onto my lash cluster just for extra hold. I recommend you do it as well.
I'm going for a cat eye look. To be honest, this is the most clusters I've fit into my eyes. 8? It's always 6, sometimes 7. I guess I was trying to impress you guys and make the best look ever. To start, look down into a mirror and place the lash band at the bottom of your natural lashes, but avoid your waterline. You don't want it in there.
I'm going to go ahead and apply the bond to the next section.
I apply section by section because the glue it dries quickly. I also do few coats just for assurance. Okay, cut any of the clips so you can see the full process of placing the lash band underneath your natural lash. I want you to witness my technique, and hopefully you learn something and be able to replicate it on your own. Now I'm going in with 12. I'm trying to create a dramatic cat eye look. That's why the numbers are drastically declining from 18, 16, 16, 14, 12, 12, and 2 10s.
Next to 12. Two times to complete this eye.
If you're watching, you should go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button, guys. The steps are easily replicable. As far as you get one, you can get them all.
If you don't apply the bond directly to the lashes in other lash clusters, I highly recommend you add it to the one at the edge, because it's the most difficult to get in, I personally think, because my hairs there are sparser, so you need it to be more sticky and like tacky. So apply a bit of bond, give it a little while to simmer, and then once I put it in, it just merges. See? Easy.
The tweezer also doubles as a lash comb. Damn, Nuway is really giving you the bulk of your money, the worth of your coin. Now I'll secure my lashes into place by pressing in my natural lash and the lash cluster just to ensure proper hold.
Oh my god, look how much difference it makes. No lashes, lashes. No lashes, lashes. No yeah. Yeah. You apply your silk now or when you're done with both eyes, it does not really matter. Do what works for you. I'm just going to wait so we can sew both together. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, I forgot. Guys, I forgot the lash mask.
The fluff set I'm using is a full set, so there's no lash stacking required, whereas wings gives a lighter look.
I've seen a lot of people who start with a shorter length in, then proceed to the longer length. I don't know why. You can just keep a little space in case you like to scratch your eye, which you shouldn't even do. I find that when I apply a shorter length first, I can tell that I apply the shorter length first and I don't like it, so I don't do it. But do what works for you. I advise you don't apply shorter length. Just maybe move it a little bit, just a tiny bit inward. I like to clean my tweezer in between because of all the glue that gets stuck in it. Find the bond to the next section.
A lot of times I do 3 sections, the back, the middle and the front, so don't feel any pressure whatsoever to do 2 sections or 3 sections. Just take it how you want it. You can even do it on your whole eye, but the possibility that it's going to dry out before you're all ready is high. Damn, I was really trying to count how many clusters were in my eye, so I tried to match it with the next one. A good tip is to write out your lash map, which I, in this situation, did not do because it was literally like 12 noon in the night and I was just trying to film a video and be cute for y'all. Go ahead and like and subscribe, guys, okay? All this is for you. All for you.
This eye didn't take as much lashes as this one because sometimes it just depends on how close you apply the clusters and a lot of elements. I'm sure you understand, and it's totally fine because they came out beautiful. That was before and this is after. Do my lashes make you jealous?
Using my tweezer, I'm merging the lash cluster with my natural lashes for extra hold. This step is very crucial. You don't want to skip it.
I'm applying my seal.
Y'all will see me apply the seal, and this allows the glue to dry down, so do not skip as well. I always double dip whenever it comes to either the bond or the seal. I'll put the brush in a couple times.
I have really sensitive eyes, and good enough, they do not in the least react to either the bond or the seal or the lash remover. To complete this look, I'm going to add butter mascara and some kajal.
Finishing touches truly go a long way.
So there you have it. This is how I do my DIY lashes at home using Nuway lashes. I love it. Look at her. So typically this would last me 5 days depending on how I baby it. Nuway Lash is for everyone. I created this kit with Nigerian women in mind, especially the fluff, okay? But funny enough, wings is our bestseller. I thought it would be fluff because Nigerian women are bold, but I love what you guys love. And with my Nuway Lash, I stay ready so I never have to get ready. Nuway Lash offers affordability and convenience. I love the fact that I can like fully customize my lashes and my look. What's not to love? From the busy mom to the babe in law school who can't have lashes on, so lash clusters for when you want to pop out, you know, for the daughter, for the girl, for Nuway's for everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to shop Nuway Lash, and you can use the discount code Miss Nuway to get 10% off. Bye besties. Bye boo thing.